Hello, this is Smith Patel, and I will be walking through the final project of multiplayer game development. So, the title of my game is Don't Tag Me. It's, as the title suggests, it's basically a tag game in which two or more player plays together, and one of them is it who has tag, and that player can tag anyone in the game by touching them, and by the end of the round whoever has that tag, or whichever player is it, that player will be eliminated, and there will be series of rounds, and the last man standing will win the game. Although the concept of this game is really simple, I feel like there are some hook points in my project, uh, which are parkour slash movement, and the other one is the background music as cloud music, fast-paced cloud music. And so control of these games are really simple. For jumping and ledge grabbing, we have space key, and for movement, it's typical WASD movement. And for tagging, um, the player who is it just have to collide with the other players to pass on the tag. And some known issue that I've noticed so far by playtesting is when the player count is high, um, some lag is detected. It could be because of the lack of resources on my computer, because like there are a couple of sessions running simultaneously on this same computer. It could be that, but definitely that needs to be improved. And the other issue is inconsistent game over UI overlay. So the game over currently does not show like the menu widget consistently, although it does log the winner of the game in the console. So for now, I have just turned off the widget popping up logic. And for future enhancement, by December, by the end of December, I am focusing on fixing those known issues that we previously seen. And in early 26, I want to add some character customization, new maps, and some visual effects. For example, while running, or while jumping, falling down, and while tagging other players. And by mid 26, I want to add global leaderboards system, so it will be more engaging for players to play this game. So now demo time. So for demo, I'm using the engine itself, because since the build can be made, but I do not have any other computer to play as a second player, so I will be using the engine itself. Right now I have set it number of player as 3. So if I hit on play, so 3 session has been created, and all of them can either start a session or find a session. So for as a middle screen, I'm gonna start a session with 3 players. Create. So this is the lobby of this game, and player can basically move around and check the level. And for other sessions, I will just hit on find. So as we can see, the session has been found in the first and in the second too. So what it says is the name of the system, and then number of players in the current session, and the ping of the session. I'm gonna shrink it down a little bit, and then join and join. So this 2 players has been joined in the session. So current player count is 3, as we can see on the big screen. And also player can leave a session by clicking on this button. If I click on this, This player is out of the sessions. Right now, only two players are in the session. And if I click on find, it will give me the same session. And if I hit on join, now I'm back in the session. So to start the game, only host can start the game. So if I hit on start, the game will be started and all of the player will be spawned in the level with the music. So we can see this player right now has an arrow, red arrow on the top on his head. That basically indicates the that player is it, and we can also see the timer running, which is the round timer. And if that timer ends, then that player will be eliminated, whichever has the tag. So quickly I'm gonna pass it to this one, and this is how the parkour system is working. And just by hitting space, it will perform the animation for parkour. This player will be eliminated basically, and the tag has been passed on to this level, this player again. And this player has been eliminated and went to the spectator mode. Try to catch that player. Let me see if I can catch it. I think I won't be. So this player is winner basically. We can check in the output log. I'm gonna close the session. So it's a bit laggy right now. Okay, but we can check the output logs. I probably am getting. For some reason I'm getting so many warnings right now, so it's a bit difficult to look for the uh, winner log, which is basically a warning log. um, but definitely it does log in the console, uh, whichever player is standing at the last. So, yes, that was my project, and thank you so much.